Hi guys, good morning. Just woke up late. I was planning to ride from 7, but I'm starting from 7 now. So actually today it's a Saturday morning, and I plan to ride with one of my friends. His name is Arun. We both plan to go to the Tigit ground in An Phu. So it's kind of like a practice session where we go a few laps on that ground. That ground is kind of like muddy or sandy, so some sand and mud balancing and learning how to probably slide the back tire and all that kind of stuff, some basic learning on how to off-road. It's a nice sunny morning, so I think it's gonna be a good Saturday. Wow, look at the traffic for 7:20 a.m. on a Saturday. Isn't that crazy? If this is not crazy. Probably Saturday mornings in my hometown used to be chill, but I don't know about this case now, because I come from Kochi, India. And when I was there, it was pretty peaceful on a Saturday morning. I have to stick to the speed limits, and Vietnam has some of the weirdest speed limits for motorcycles. Not just Vietnam, but other countries too, but still, for all motorcycles, regardless of how much power you have, you can't go on highways or expressways, and the max speed for a motorcycle in Vietnam is around 70 km/h. So basically Transalp and all the high cc bikes are kind of useless when it comes to highways, because regardless of what bike you have, you can only go at 70 km/h max, and that's only very few areas like 70 km/h. That's like, I don't know why they are honking, for what reason. Okay, we are on cruise control now. Cruise control, baby. Transalp, thanks to Virgin Cruise. We can now cruise through the Vietnamese roads on 60, not breaking the law. Look at that. Love it, love it. We're keeping it at 3.5k RPM. Yeah. But when you hit the brake, it's done. I am yet to do a proper review on my Transalp and all the accessories that I put on my Transalp as well. I think I will do that sometime soon. Okay, to gravel mode. These are light gravel, so it's okay. Woo! Yeah, balancing your legs, Okay, we are here. And Arun is here with my Dalat. It's not mine anymore. It's his Dalat. നീ ഇവിടെ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണോ? By the way, we are Malayalis. Okay, so we were speaking in my language, which is called Malayalam. നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും മലയാളീസാണ്. I forgot what the hell should I do. Like function? No.
A few moments later.
Not being. Oh, okay. Just press the mode. So power, I'm gonna keep it 1 down. Engine, braking. Okay. 2. Traction control. No. How to turn it off? Yeah, just press up and it turns off. Traction control off. ABS off. Yes. Okay, so traction control off, ABS off. And we are done. Okay, here we go. Loose sand, loose sand, loose sand. Woo! Learning how to go. Learning on loose sand. Loose sand. Yeah. Ah. Loose sand, not so loose. Woo! Ah. Come on, come on. Yeah. Oh shit. This is too much. Loose sand. Okay. Now I know how much effort for those guys in riding in Dakar. I had to take a water bottle. What? I need to capture me doing it. So let's put this camera somewhere else so we can see how I do it. Am I good at just kidding my back tire? I don't know. Back tire skid ചെയ്യണത് കിട്ടി തോന്നുന്നു. ആ കൊടു 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 കൊടു. ആ അതാണ് വേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ. Yeah, you can hear the sound. Oh yeah. What is that sound? Okay, I'm just gonna try jumping a small hump. Small hump. I kept the camera there, so just gonna see. Oh, I took a big hit. Let's see the impact. Can't see, but everything looks okay. SW Motec. Okay, I see that when I turn to the right, I have less balance, so I need to get used to turning right. Okay, can do it, but I feel I have too much effort on my left hand. I need to reduce that effort, give more to my legs. We need to learn how to do the sliding thing. Oh! 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 I got it! I got a little! Ah! Ah! Huh? Huh? ആ ഇല്ല അത് പൈപ്പ് പോകാനുള്ളതാ. അത് കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ഓ അത് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോഴാ I had a big hit on that rock there. There. It's good. Okay, ഇനി ഇത് പോകണം. നീ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യല്ലേ. ദിസ് ഈസ് ഹൗ ഐ ഡു ഇറ്റ്. ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്, സ്റ്റാൻഡ് എവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നല്ലോ. ഓ സ്റ്റാൻഡ് ഇപ്പുറത്താ. Yeah. Easy. ഇതിന് ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്, എനിക്ക് കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് അറിയില്ലേ. നമുക്കൊരു ലാപ്പ് ഒരുമിച്ചെടുക്കാം. പറയണ്ടായിരുന്നാ എന്നാൽ ഒരു ലാപ്പ് ഫുള്ളായിട്ട് എടുക്കാം. ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇതാണ് റോഡ്. Okay, one lap together with Arun. I think this is my last lap. Here comes, baby, here comes. Okay, I hold front brake. It's my mistake. Follow the lanes. Follow the lanes. Come on, come on, come on, baby. Woo. Okay. Oh. Okay, guys. So, just want to say that this is just a fun weekend morning thing. That's it. You know, not anything crazy. I'm not a crazy off-roader, but I really love riding go through country roads and all that kind of stuff. But I also want to explore the nature, and so getting to know how to ride, on these kind of terrain, I think will help me. And I'm fat. I need to reduce some weight so that I can keep up with all the adventure. All right, so that's what we do. I think I'm not gonna shoot more, and I'm gonna end the video here because I'm gonna take a chill pill for like next 5 minutes, and then might do another 2 or 3 more laps, learn to skid my back tire a little bit more, and then head to a coffee and get some coffee and go back home. So that's it for this Saturday, and thanks a lot for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Adon is back. Okay, ciao guys, happy Saturday if you're watching on a Saturday. If not, good day, ride safe.